Mr. President, sir, any special instructions for Cebu, sir?
For Cebu.
For Cebu muna, sir. Opo.
Uh, Secretary Gilbert, who heads NDRMC, went there yesterday. He was planned. We had scheduled for him to come here, but instead he had to go to Cebu. We are still assessing the damage there, but the earthquake was very strong. Pagka yung mga ganyang klaseng numbers, that's a very kompleto naman tayo. Nakapag-respond sila within less than 24 hours, nandito na sila. Because we already knew that kailangan reposition ng mga. Yung pinakamalaking problema na hindi pa natin bigyan ng atensyon yung kakulangan ng cash. Dahil hindi makapag-withdraw yung tao. Dahil sarado yung mga bangko, walang kuryente, walang internet. So, that's the problem that we have to solve now. Mukhang ang solusyon ay talagang magdadala tayo rito ng napakaraming cash. So, yun ang isusunod namin.